given that a is 1, 4, 2, 3, we have to express this expression which is of power 5 as a linear polynomial of a. Means we have to reduce the power of a. Here it is the highest power is 5. Using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have to reduce it is in the form of linear polynomial. And how can we reduce it? It is a. So first of all, we have to find the characteristic equation, and characteristic equation is a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. That is 1 minus lambda, 4, 2, 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this one. So we will get 1 minus lambda, 3 into 3 minus lambda, minus 8 is equal to 0. So we will get lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda and plus 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. So that gives lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation, and Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that every matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. We have to use this concept and to reduce the degree of given polynomial. This polynomial in the we have to convert this into linear form using Cayley-Hamilton theorem concept. So Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that every matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So this, if we put a instead of lambda, we have to put a. So a square minus 4a minus 5 is equal to 0. Since a satisfies this equation, it is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So using this concept, we have to find the. So now here a square minus 4a minus 5 is equal to 0. So first of all, here it is power of a is 5 and it is a square. So we had to write it in the form of a cube into, क्योंकि यहाँ power 5 है तो a cube into a square will get the a raised to 5. तो हमको यहाँ लेना है a cube and बाकी का expression as it is without any change we had to write it here. ठीक है. अब यहाँ हमारे पास सिर्फ हमने a raised to 5 को चेक किया है कि a raised to 5 है. नाउ एक्स्ट्रा हमने किया है minus 4 a raised to power of 4, a cube into a raised to 4 माइनस, तो हम यहाँ करेंगे 4 a raised to power of 4 माइनस 5 a cube हमने एक्स्ट्रा किया है तो हम लिखेंगे 5 a cube and then remaining expression we have to write as it is, that is 4a raised to power of 4 minus 7a cube plus 11a square minus a minus 10i. Now this is equal to 0. Since this is equal to 0, so using this we will get a cube into 0. So this reduced in the form. Now plus 4a raised to 4 minus 4a raised to 4 will get cancelled, and 5a raised to power of 3 minus 7a raised to power of 3 will get 2a raised to power of 3 plus 11a square minus a minus 10i. Now this is equal to 0. Now here a cube, अब यहाँ हमारे पास a cube आया और हमारे पास a square है तो minus 2a, क्योंकि a cube है और a square तो a square into a will get a cube. a लिखा हमने. अब remaining expression we had to write as it is, a square minus 4a minus 5. तो हमने एक्स्ट्रा क्या किया है, ये हमारे पास ऑलरेडी था, हमने माइनस माइनस प्लस 8a स्क्वायर किया तो हम माइनस 8a स्क्वायर करेंगे और हियर इट इज माइनस 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 प्लस 10a लिखा है तो हम लिखेंगे माइनस 10a and then remaining expression as it is, that is plus 11a square. हमने सिर्फ ये वाला एडजस्ट किया था, ये बाकी के टर्म हमको वैसे लिखने हैं. a square minus a minus 10i. Now this will become 0, minus 2a into 0. minus 8a square plus 11a square. 11 minus 8 will get 3. 3a square minus 10a minus a will get minus 11a minus 10i. Now this is 0. So now it is equal to 3a स्क्वायर. अभी भी हमारे पास ये रिड्यूस नहीं हुआ है, यहाँ a स्क्वायर है तो इसके नेक्स्ट में हम मतलब जब तक 1 डिग्री आएगा देन वी कैन स्टॉप इट. नाउ 3a स्क्वायर, हमारे पास 3a स्क्वायर, तो हम बाकी का टर्म ऐसे लिख देंगे a स्क्वायर माइनस 4a माइनस 5. तो हमने एक्स्ट्रा क्या किया, 3a स्क्वायर सब हमने एडजस्ट किया है, माइनस 12a, तो हम लिखेंगे प्लस 12a minus 15, so we'll write plus 15 minus 11a and minus 10i. Now this is equal to 3 into 0, ये पूरा 0 है क्योंकि इसकी वैल्यू 0 है. 12a minus 11a will get plus a plus 15i or minus 10i will get 5i. So it is equal to a plus 5i. It is now reduced in the linear form. Linear polynomial degree is 1 now.